cameras which we have in our EasyCam Plus application. So these are floodlight cameras. This is a f41A camera and this is f42A camera. Both the cameras have PIR sensor enabled, so you will get a notification over human detection as well for both the cameras. And this camera supports full color night vision, means you will get the colored image at the night time as well. So both the cameras are Wi-Fi cameras, so you can connect to easily with your Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi, and you can get the live streaming as well as the playback in your EasyCam Plus application. Now, whenever the motion occurs in the night time, the camera will turn on the floodlight, which you can see in the camera. So one camera have this floodlight, and the other camera has two floodlights. So you will get the color night vision at the night time. So that's all about this. And these are our Wi-Fi. This is Wi-Fi PT camera, and this is also Wi-Fi PT camera of 3 megapixel. And this is a Wi-Fi PT camera of 4 megapixel. And that is the outdoor camera, which is a bullet camera. This is also a Wi-Fi bullet camera, and that is of 4 megapixel. So you can add these cameras in our EasyCam Plus application, and you can get the live view as well as the playback in the application. And all these cameras supports SD card up to 128 GB. So you can insert SD card in the camera and record for around 15 to 20 days in these cameras. Now all these cameras supports Google Assistant and Alexa supported in these cameras. So you can get the streaming of camera in your Alexa supported device as well as in the Google Assistant supported device. Okay. So this is a 4G solar PT camera. So you can connect, you can insert a 4G SIM in this camera, and you can get the live streaming in the EasyCam Plus application. This is a 4 MP camera. So this also have a inbuilt battery. So that battery will be getting charged through that solar panel, and you will be getting the live view in our EasyCam application. So these cameras are not launched yet, and it will be launching in coming weeks. So you can check these cameras as well. So, and these are 4 megapixel camera. This consists of 3 lens, and this is of 2 lens. So in these cameras also you can have full color night vision, and this also supports smart color night vision, means whenever motion happens in the front of camera, so then only the camera will glow the LED lights in the camera, and you will get the color night vision at the night time. And all these cameras supports 4G SIM, so you can insert any brand 4G SIM in the camera, any operator 4G SIM in the camera, and you can connect it in your EasyCam Plus application and get the live view and the playback of these cameras. And also these cameras supports ONWIF protocol, so you can add these cameras in your existing NVR or DVR of any other brand as well. So you can add these cameras in those as well. Now we have some sensors over here, and this is a smoke sensor, so it will detect any smoke coming in contact of this sensor, and it will trigger instantly and send notification in your EasyCam Plus application. And this is a gas leakage sensor, so it will detect any leakage in the gas, and it will send the alarm instantly in your application, as well as it will trigger some sound in this sensor, and it will get notification in your app. And this is a Wi-Fi door sensor, so it will connect to your, all these sensors will connect to your existing home router, and it will, whenever this, there are two parts in this Wi-Fi door sensor. One is our sensor part and another one is magnet part. So whenever that sensor part is away from that magnet part, it will send alert on your mobile notification. It will send a notification in EasyCam Plus application that door has been opened, and also for closing the door it will send notification. Now this is EZO series cameras. This is a Wi-Fi PT camera, and it also has LAN port, so you can connect it with LAN cable to your router, or you can connect through Wi-Fi okay. And this is a Wi-Fi outdoor bullet camera, so it also have LED lights for color night vision, it also supports the smart night vision, as I told you earlier for these cameras. So it also supports smart night vision. Whenever motion happens in front of the camera, then only it will glow the LED lights, otherwise it will work in normal IR mode. So this is all about these cameras. Now this is our EasyCam range cameras again, and this is a E25A camera. This is of 2 megapixel, and you can connect to your home's Wi-Fi router using Wi-Fi mode. And this camera is E41A. This is also a Wi-Fi PT camera. You can connect to your router with cable as well as with Wi-Fi. This camera. This is a 4 megapixel camera. Now this is a Wi-Fi doorbell. So it is also connected in the EasyCam application. Means you can easily connect this Wi-Fi doorbell with your application, and then whenever any person presses the bell in this doorbell, you will get notified in your EasyCam application, and you can have also two-way talk with that person who is standing outside. So all these cameras also, I forgot to tell you about that, all these cameras supports two-way talk, so you can have two-way communication with that person who is standing there and with your mobile application. Now this is a VDP kit. This is an analog VDP kit, and this is an outdoor unit. So if someone presses a bell in there, you will get the live feeding here. This is an indoor unit. So this is analog kit. So it consists of analog camera. So whenever someone presses the bell, you will get the video here. And this is a IP VDP kit. So if someone presses, this camera consists of 2 megapixel. So if someone presses the bell here in outdoor, you will get notified in the indoor. And this is IP based, so you will have to connect it through switches and all. And this was analog VDP kit, which you have to connect parallelly. Means you have to connect from indoor to outdoor parallelly.